Late at night, security cameras captured a masked man crawling through a jewelry store's air vent, dragging a long vacuum cleaner hose behind him. His plan? Suck up loose diamonds from the display case below. The hose snaked down, making a faint whirring sound as he flipped the switch. Diamonds, heavier than expected, refused to budge. The suction rattled the glass, triggering a silent alarm. Police arrived within minutes, finding the thief tangled in the hose, still desperately clutching the vacuum. Ingenious or ridiculous? Who was to blame?